I already hook up my meter. Now time to check the amp. .63. Capacitor on the top. We gotta check the MFD. Let's turn off the unit. Takes the harm out. Put my meter to MFD. MFD. So let's see, it says 45/5. Brightness is 50, so it's already gone. Let's see on the fan side what it says. Fan 5. Zero. So this change this part out. Put this capacitor because we don't have the right size. Half circuit already there. Now taking a look at the amperage. After all this work, look at this, has an oil leak. So definitely the system need to be replaced or repair this coil. Because all the oil come out from the side. This is how you know, because look at the oil. And this whole entire thing was like oil spot right there. So we gotta track down where is it coming out from. After setting up the nitro, pressurize the system, finally found the leak. Look at this on the bottom, right here. We can fix that leak and make the system running again. After repair, just cooling down the unit. Had to add 60s, 15, so it makes 75 to this capacitor because it's rating 75/5. It's already in. After repair, no more leak. Almost dropping down to 689 and still dropping. So once it's dropped down to 500, we can recharge the system and we go from there. Finally, the vacuum dropped down to 482, below the range. So now time to hook up the Freon tank. Weight it down the Freon, how much it goes in, and we go from there. Time to add the Freon. It's going in because the line was freezing over because of that. After adding some Freon, but look at this. Has its TXP inside, so it should be 15 subcooling once we run the unit. So let's see. Turn on the unit. Right now was increasing to 5.2. We gotta make this number 15. Right now it's at 5. So we still need to add some Freon. We need to get more 10 more inside. Subcooling and make it 15. We gotta add the Freon little by little to make that subcooling goes up to number 15. Look at this, it's going up. 6.8. 6.9, 7. We need 8 more subcooling to make it number 15. So we gotta add some Freon from the low side, and we can see the number is gonna be increasing. Right now it's 8.2. Gotta add more to make it this subcooling 15. Still need more Freon to make that number go up. One more and we'll be all good. There you go, number 15. So this unit now is running in a perfect shape after fixing a leak.